Okay, don't stop. Oh shit.
So, as you saw on the last little bit of video, basically the top part of that side panel and the bottom part, they're kind of on an angle a bit. So, I mean, as you can probably tell from watching some of the other videos, if you haven't watched them, you need to go back and watch them. There is a playlist. If you watch on those, you can pretty much tell I am not a professional boat builder. Like this is my first one, so I'm trying not to screw it up. We really want it to float. I think it'll float. It better float.
It's super hot out here. Okay, so this one fits. So I'm just going to trace out this now and yeah, cut it out, and then we'll have two pieces. Well, that's two sides done. Time's in now. I think it's refreshment time. Cheers, everyone. Oh, it's cold. Whew. She's open.
We are back on the boat. I've got the two side panels cut out. They fit pretty well, I've got to say. Yeah, so you can't really see it, it's that bright here. It's 32 degrees in the Slocan Valley at the moment. So we've got the cup holders. It's pretty nicely done. Not super tight to the ground. We got the hole for the speaker as well. And cut out the other side, so cup holders. And what I've done is I've brought in the old seat, which I'm going to recover because, as you can see, it's kind of a mess. So I brought the old seat in, and that's basically, it was attached to the sides. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to build a base. So that will sit on the base, so it doesn't have to rely on being screwed into the side panels, which it was before. I mean, I'm still going to do that, but yeah, I'm going to build a base and maybe put some drawers in. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, one problem I have is the top part here. As you can see, it fits pretty snugly to the side of the boat. So those sides are going to have to be cut again. So yeah, let's see if I can figure it out. A chop of the side panels to make sure that the seat fit in. I went with the let's take a bit off and see if that works anyway kind of approach, and I think it did. Check it out. So as you can see, it's pretty awesome 80s teal. It did live in the northeast of Calgary, so there's a bit of hail damage on the seat, so I'm going to be replacing the nylon, whatever, pleather. So yeah, chopped a bit out. It fits pretty nice. Booze holder, water holder, all fits pretty nicely. Just walked into the seat. Yeah, same there as well. Just got to make some holes for the controls, which are there. Make a nice box under the seat as well, because I don't think those two things are pretty much stable. Yeah, they're kind of, I don't know if you can see those, but they're kind of rubbish. But anyway, so yeah, it fits, it works. For a non-handyman, I'm kind of happy with that. Figure out how to attach the sides onto the side of the boat. So what I've got are these little doohickey thingies with the prongs on. They should do the trick. Yeah. We are finally finished with the boat. Here's all the new carpeting in the front with all the brand new vinyl seats in, very plush. And then moving into the back, captain seats, might change those in the future, but all the carpet is finished. Still got a base plate to put under there, but the seats are done. All the tops are on. Compression on the engine is good, so we should be good to go. Drinks holders are in, controllers in, speakers are in. We're all good to go. Just need to hit the waves. Yeah, it was my first attempt, so it's pretty horrendous. Oops.
I've just posted on.
Yeah,
Sorry.
okay.
As long as you're not going to the other side of the lane.
Ready? Woo!